Okay, disclaimer, this is not one of my normal how-tos. That's why my face is here. This is actually a giveaway. Guys, what's going on? It's Mercy Methods. Dude, I just hit 3,000 views on this Roblox video, and I'm so inspired to give you guys more how-tos. So inspired to the point where I'm going to have to do a giveaway starting this week. All I need from you is to comment below what you guys need how-to videos on in terms of Roblox. Literally, just tell me how to do what, how to do so and so, and I got you guys. Also, leave your account in a separate comment to be entered for the poll. I got you guys. I really want to be able to help people situate their problems, and there's a lot of channels doing it, but I don't think there's a lot of channels that will do it the way I'm gonna do it. By the end of next week, I'm gonna give out 100 to 500 Robux. The more likes this video gets, the bigger the prize will be. I'm not saying do it, but I'm saying the bigger these videos get, including my how-tos, the more I'm able to give back. And look at me, if you're here, I'm probably enough to you. So you know, that's no cap. I'm gonna get the Roblox card next week. Go live on this account, so make sure you're here if you comment. Make sure you sub if you comment. I'm not saying do it if you don't want to do it, but if you want, just let me know what how-to you want to see regarding Roblox. It could be any game. I would appreciate it. Good luck. Tap into the tutorials. Let me know what tutorial you would like to see, and I will see you if you comment during the live stream. I'm gonna make a community post saying the exact day, so make sure you stay tapped in. See you then.